Dear students, today we shall discuss the third question in the first main, that is cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Now cos 45 degree value we know, that is equals to cos 45 means 1 divided by root 2 whole divided by sec 30. Sec 30 means 1 divided by cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Then sec 30 will be 2 divided by root 3. 2 divided by root 3 plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 means 1 by sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then cosec 30 will be 2. Now here you can take LCM. Now 1 by 2 as it is, 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 whole divided by. So here LCM will be root 3. Now this is 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. Now this root 2 comes to the denominator and root 3 goes to the numerator. Now that is equals to root 3 divided by, this root 2 comes to the denominator, root 2 into, inside what will be there? 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now this is equals to root 3 divided by, let us multiply this root 2. It will be 2 root 2 plus 2 is there 2, root 3 into root 2. Here I am getting root 6. 3 to the 6 it is. Okay, root 6. Now here to simplify this, I have to multiply and divide this by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by, plus is there minus, if it is minus is there plus, 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. I have to multiply and divide this. Then now numerator root 3 into, so inside 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by, or divided by, this is the form a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So that is 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 6 square. Okay. Now here this is equals to, now this is, multiply this 2 into root 3 into root 2, that is root 6. Now plus into minus, it is minus 2, 6 3 is 18 divided by, now this is 2 square, it is 4 into root 2 square, that is 2 only, minus 2 square, it is 4 into root 6 square. Root 6 square will be 6 only. Square root and square will get cancelled, getting 6. Now next, this is equals to, now 2 root. Here you can take 2 as common. 2 will take common. Inside what will be there? Root 6 minus, now 18 I can write as 9 to the 18. So means the square root of 9 is 3. That will be 3 root 2. 3 root 2, 9 to the 18. Divided by 8 minus 24. 8 minus 24, that is minus 16. Now 2 ones are 2 8s are. Now this is equals to, now the here minus 8 is there. I will take this minus 8 to the numerator. It will be minus 3 root 2 will becomes plus 3 root 2, and this root 6 will become minus root 6 divided by minus 8 will be plus 8. Okay, this is how we can solve this. Let us solve the fourth question. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 plus cot 45 degree. Now this is equals to sin 30. Sin 30 value is 1 divided by 2 plus tan 45. Tan 45 degree value is 1 minus cosec 60 degree. It means 1 divided by sin 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Then cosec 60 will be 2 divided by root 3. 2 divided by root 3. then whole divided by, let us put equal sign here, whole divided by, now sec 30 means 1 by cos 30 value is root 3 by 2, sec 30 will be 2 divided by root 3 plus cos 60 means 1 divided by 2 plus cot 45, that is also 1, cot 45 and tan 45, 1. Now here LCM will be 2 root 3. Here also LCM will be 2 root 3. Directly I can cancel 2 root 3, 2 root 3. The remaining steps I will write. So this is equal to. Now here 2 is there but root 3 not there. I have to multiply root 3 plus one denominator 2 and root 3 I have to multiply to the numerator 2 root 3 minus here root 3 is there. I have to multiply by 2. 2 so it is 4. Whole divided by, here also LCM is 2 root 3, here also LCM 2 root 3. 2 root 3 will get cancelled. Okay. So direct step I will write. So here I have to multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus, here I have to multiply by root 3. Root 3 into 1 it is root 3 plus. Now here I have to multiply by 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Now this is equals to. Now I will write in this way. This is root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by. Now this is what? Oh yes. Root 3 plus 2 root 3. That I can write directly as. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4. Root 3 plus root 3, that is 1 plus 2 it is. 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by. Here also root 3 plus 2 root 3, that is also 3 root 3 plus 4. Now I have to simplify this. For this again I have to multiply its conjugate, that is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. If it is plus is there, I have to multiply it by minus. Okay. Let us simplify this. Now this is a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b whole square it is. Means 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. Now next step, this is equals to, this is a minus b whole square formula. So 3 root 3 square, a square it is 3 root 3 square plus 4 square minus 2ab. 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 12 root 3. 2ab. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 20, sorry, 8 3s are it is 24. Okay. So 2ab, 2 into 4 it is 8, 8 3s are 24 root 3 whole divided by. Now 3 square it is 9 into root 3 square is 3 minus 4 square, that is 16. Now this is equals to 3 square 9 into root 3 square is 3 plus 4 square it is 16 minus 24 root 3 divided by 9 3s are 27 minus 16. Now this is equals to 9 3s are 27 plus 16. 27 plus 16, that is 43. 43 minus 24 root 3. 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16. This is 11. Okay. This is the final solution you can write. The next question, 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. We have to find the value of this. So 5 that is equals to 5 into cos square 60 degree. This I can write as cos 60 whole square. So cos 60, what is cos 60 here? Cos 60 means 1 divided by 2. Square is there, I will put the whole square. Plus 4 into sec 30 whole square, sec square this. So sec 30. Sec 30 means 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 means 2 divided by root 3 square it is, because sec square is there. Minus tan square 45. So tan 45 is 1. Square is there. 1 square. Divided by. Now sin square 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Square is there. 1 by 2 square. Plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 value is root 3 divided by 2. Square is there. Square. Now let us solve this. This is equals to 5 into 1 by 2 square, it is 1 by 4, plus 4 into 2 square, it is 4, root 3 square, it is 3, minus 1, divided by 1 by 2 square, it is 1 by 4, plus root 3 square, it is 3, 2 square, it is 4. Now this is equal to 5 by 4, 5 divided by 4, plus 4 4s are 16 by 3, 16 by 3, minus 1, whole divided by. So here LCM is 4, 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 4, 4 by 4 it is 1. Now here 4 3s are 12 is LCM. So 5 3s are 15 plus 16 4s are 64. Am I right? 64 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 we can multiply. Now this is equals to 64 plus 3 can. 15 minus 12 means plus 3. Plus 3, 64. That is 67 divided by 12. Okay. This is 67 divided by